Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Run as administrator when needed and confirm PowerShell core versus Windows PowerShell. Once done, open Windows Terminal or PowerShell directly. Type pwshv or $ps version table. PS version to confirm versions. You should understand execution policy basics, so scripts run. Use get execution policy, then set execution policy, remote signed if appropriate. Make sure to trust only known scripts. These initial steps get you into a secure, functional shell quickly and prevent permission surprises later. Now you build capability. Create PS1 files in VS Code with the PowerShell extension to get linting and IntelliSense. You can install modules from PS Gallery using install module name scope current user. Use force sparingly. Once installed, import module name and verify commands with get command module name. When scripting, prefer param blocks and error handling. Use try, catch, finally, and write verbose for debugging. Make sure to sign or version control scripts so changes are auditable and repeatable. To run, call /script PS1 from the working directory or use the call operator and see /path /script PS1. If something fails, read the error record and note exception. Message, then use set ps debug trace 1 or start transcript to capture output. Make sure $env ps module path contains your module location and verify execution policy and file permissions. If you still have issues, restart the shell as admin and rerun import commands. One key troubleshooting tip is to check for blocked files, unblock file, before executing downloaded scripts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.